As people grow older, leg strength quietly begins to decline. It does not happen overnight, and that is exactly why most seniors failed to notice it early. One day, the legs feel slightly heavy. Another day, climbing stairs feels harder than it used to. Then suddenly, leg cramps start appearing at night. Stiffness shows up in the morning, and balance does not feel as steady as before. Many assume this is just normal aging, but from a medical perspective, this is not aging alone. This is often a nutritional weakness developing inside the muscles, nerves, and bones of the legs. Leg muscles rely on a constant supply of protein, minerals, and nerve-supporting nutrients to contract properly. When even one of these elements drops, the muscles begin to misfire. This misfiring is what causes cramps, weakness, shaking legs, and fatigue after short walks. Seniors are especially vulnerable because digestion slows down, absorption becomes weaker, and muscle tissue breaks down faster than it rebuilds. Food, therefore, becomes the first and most powerful line of defense. One of the most misunderstood foods for leg strength is the egg. Eggs are often avoided by seniors due to fear of cholesterol, but medically speaking, eggs are one of the most complete foods for leg muscles. The protein found in eggs contains all essential amino acids required to maintain and repair muscle fibers. Leg muscles, especially the thighs and calves, depend heavily on these amino acids to stay firm and responsive. When seniors avoid protein-rich foods like eggs, muscle fibers shrink, leading to weakness and cramps. Eggs also contain vitamin B12, a nutrient essential for nerve health. Many leg cramps are not purely muscular, they are neurological. When nerve signals weaken, muscles contract at the wrong time, often during rest at night. Vitamin B12 helps maintain proper nerve communication between the brain and leg muscles. A deficiency silently increases the risk of cramps, numbness, and burning sensations in the legs. Another critical nutrient found in eggs is vitamin D. While sunlight is a natural source, many seniors do not get enough exposure. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium properly. Without it, calcium floats in the bloodstream instead of strengthening bones and supporting muscle contractions. Weak bones in the legs lead to pain, instability, and a higher risk of falls. Eggs provide a modest but consistent dietary source of vitamin D that supports leg health when consumed regularly. Alongside eggs, leafy green vegetables play a vital role in preventing leg cramps. Greens such as spinach and fenugreek leaves are rich in magnesium and potassium. These minerals regulate muscle relaxation. When magnesium levels drop, muscles remain tense, leading to sudden cramps, especially during sleep. Potassium helps balance fluids inside muscle cells. An imbalance causes muscle cells to contract unpredictably, triggering painful cramps. As seniors age, kidney function and medication use often disturb mineral balance. This makes dietary sources of magnesium and potassium even more important. Cooked leafy greens are easier to digest and absorb for older adults. When combined with protein-rich foods like eggs, they create a powerful foundation for leg strength. Dairy foods also deserve attention. Milk, yogurt, and curd provide calcium in a form that supports bone density in the legs. Strong bones reduce strain on surrounding muscles. When bones weaken, muscles work harder to compensate, increasing fatigue and cramp risk. Fermented dairy, like yogurt, also improve gut health, which directly affects nutrient absorption. A healthy gut ensures that protein, minerals, and vitamins reach the leg muscles efficiently. Healthy fats are another overlooked factor. Nuts and seeds, particularly almonds and sesame seeds, provide vitamin E and omega fatty acids. These nutrients improve blood circulation to the legs. Poor circulation deprives muscles of oxygen, leading to weakness and cramping sensations. Better blood flow means better muscle performance and faster recovery after movement. Hydration must also be addressed. Even mild dehydration thickens the blood and disrupts electrolyte balance. Seniors often drink less water intentionally, fearing frequent urination. Unfortunately, this habit increases the risk of leg cramps significantly. Water allows minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium to move freely within muscle cells. Without proper hydration, even a nutrient-rich diet cannot function effectively. From a medical standpoint, leg cramps are rarely caused by a single issue. They result from a combination of protein deficiency, mineral imbalance, nerve weakness, and poor circulation. Food corrects these problems gradually but powerfully. Eggs serve as the anchor food, supplying protein, vitamins, and nerve support. When paired with minerals from vegetables, calcium from dairy, and healthy fats from nuts, leg strength begins to stabilize. This nutritional approach does not require extreme diets or supplements. It requires consistency and correct food choices. Seniors who focus on strengthening their legs through food often notice improved balance, reduced night cramps, and increased confidence while walking. Strong legs restore independence, and independence restores quality of life. As leg strength declines with age, another silent problem begins to appear: poor muscle coordination and reduced endurance. Many seniors notice that even when pain is not present, their legs feel tired very quickly. Standing for long periods becomes uncomfortable, walking distances shorten, and recovery after simple activity takes longer than before. From a medical point of view, this happens when muscle cells lose their ability to store and release energy efficiently. Food choices play a major role in restoring this lost function. Complex carbohydrates are essential for fueling leg muscles. Unlike simple sugars that cause quick energy spikes and crashes, complex carbohydrates release glucose slowly into the bloodstream. This steady release provides continuous energy to muscles, preventing sudden fatigue and trembling. Whole grains, oats, and brown rice support muscle endurance, especially in the legs, which carry body weight throughout the day. When seniors consume low-quality carbohydrates or skip them entirely, the body turns to muscle tissue for energy. This leads to muscle breakdown, especially in the thighs and calves. Over time, this breakdown weakens the legs and increases the risk of cramps. Balanced meals that include complex carbohydrates protect muscle mass and maintain strength. Eggs again play a central role when combined with carbohydrates. Protein from eggs help repair muscle fibers after daily use, while carbohydrates refill muscle energy stores. This combination supports faster recovery and reduces stiffness the next day. Without adequate protein, muscles remain damaged. Without carbohydrates, muscles remain exhausted. Together, they create stability. Leg muscles also depend heavily on iron for oxygen delivery. Iron allows red blood cells to carry oxygen to working muscles. Low iron levels reduce oxygen supply, causing early fatigue, heaviness, and weakness in the legs. Seniors often develop mild iron deficiency due to reduced absorption or limited diets. Foods such as lentils, beans, and dark green vegetables provide plant-based iron that supports muscle oxygenation. Vitamin C-rich foods help the body absorb iron more effectively. Fruits like oranges, lemons, and berries improve iron utilization and also strengthen blood vessels. Healthy blood vessels improve circulation to the legs, ensuring muscles receive nutrients efficiently. Poor circulation often leads to cold legs, numbness, and cramps, particularly at night. Another important nutrient for leg stability is zinc. Zinc supports tissue repair and immune function. Muscle injuries heal slower when zinc levels are low, leading to chronic weakness. Zinc also supports nerve signaling, which helps muscles contract smoothly. Seeds, Nuts and whole grains supply zinc in a natural and balanced way. Egg yolks contain small but valuable amounts of zinc, selenium, and choline. Choline supports muscle movement and nerve coordination. Deficiency in choline can cause muscle stiffness and reduced control. Seniors who eat egg whites only miss these essential nutrients found in the yolk. From a medical perspective, whole eggs provide better muscle support than egg whites alone. Leg health is also influenced by inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation increases muscle pain and stiffness. Certain foods help reduce this inflammation naturally. Turmeric, garlic, and olive oil contain compounds that calm inflammatory responses. Reduced inflammation allows muscles to relax properly, lowering the risk of cramps and tightness. Omega-3 fatty acids are especially beneficial